Jesse, our network security guy, already knows the bad news. Cyber attacks are getting more vicious and pervasive by the day. But I have to make it worse by telling him that our perimeter firewall, as strong as it is no longer enough. Hackers can breach perimeter defenses on their own by compromising a trusted source, like an end user. And once inside, threats can move laterally, spreading from server to server like wildfire. Jesse asks me if there's any good news. And I say, as a matter of fact, with VMware NSX, we can micro-segment the network to enforce least privilege throughout our data centers. Defining security policy at the individual VM level will stop an attack in its tracks. Jesse says, that does sound good, but will it add to my management tasks? So I explain how NSX embeds networking and security services, like distributed firewalling, into the hypervisor, and how we can leverage this virtualization layer to directly tie our security policies to the applications they are protecting. Plus, he can automate provisioning, so new VMs inherit their security policies when they're spun up from the hypervisor, without extra effort on his part. Jesse wants to know if policies stick with the VM, and I say, yep, they'll travel together anywhere in the environment. I can see Jesse thinking it over. A software-defined security solution that micro-segments the network and automatically sets and manages policies for VMs everywhere. And it's like a light bulb appears over his head. He says, so if we can micro-segment our network down to the workload level, applying a distributed firewall to each one, then we could use that to create a logical DMZ anywhere and to secure all of our end-user devices and environments. That will keep the bad guys in check. I say, good, you got the idea. And he says, that's not a good idea, it's an amazing one.